Red beans are on the top of my desserts list, even though people typically eat them in savory dishes. So if you've never had sweet red bean before, it tastes like an extra sweet potato. And I love red beans in any dessert. But today I'm gonna show you how to get those delicious red bean buns at the Asian bakeries using just 2 ingredients, and this will take you only like 5 minutes or less. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab some butter buns. So this is my special recipe, and they go well with either sweet or savory dishes. Now if you wanna get your hands on some butter buns, or if you wanna learn how to make them at home, check the link in the description below. And then you're gonna need some sweet red beans. So you can make these at home, but you can also buy them already pre-made at the store. You can get it in whole bean form, or you can also get it in the paste. I prefer the whole red beans, so here we have it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is just take a butter bun, and then we're going to slice it in half. Okay, and if you want, you can carve out little dips in each one so that you can put in more red beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This just gives it a little bit more space so that you can add in more red beans. Okay, perfect. Now you have more space for more red beans, which I love. But if you're okay with having less red beans, then you can totally just put this on there without cutting out a hole. And then you're just gonna put these in there. Oh. This also helps so that when we do heat it up, it doesn't go falling out the sides. Okay, and then just, you can sandwich it together like this. And to get it like that nice, fresh bakery style, what I like to do is heat it up in my air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, that's fine. You can totally use a toaster as well. Okay, I'm gonna put some parchment paper at the bottom just so none of the red beans come out, just in case, and then put it in there. Okay, so I like to heat it up at like 300 for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. That should be nice and steamy by the time it comes out, and the bread will be a little bit toasty. It's done, let's take it out. Oh, yum! Okay. So look, the outside is like nice and crunchy. Can you hear that? And then you've got your red bean in the middle. So let's see what this looks like. Let's cut this in half. Whoa. This is jam-packed with red bean. Oh my gosh. I'm dying to try a bite of this. So I'm just gonna try a little bit. I have my coffee. Okay, so I could stop here, but I'm gonna give you another quick bonus recipe. This one is a real indulgent treat. Okay, so again, we're gonna grab a butter bun and then we're gonna slice it in half. I'm gonna do it lengthwise. We're going to stick this into the air fryer first. Again, if you don't have an air fryer, you can do this in the toaster oven as well. Okay. And then we're gonna do 300 at 4 minutes. Yay! It's nice and toasty, perfect. We're of course gonna put on the red beans. Now, this is what I mean by indulgent. Ice cream! We're going to take a scoop of ice cream. It can be whatever flavor you want. I have vanilla over here. And then we're gonna put it on the butter buns with the red beans. Oh. Depends how crazy you wanna go with it. I mean, I'm gonna do 2. Let's do another one. Oh my gosh, this is so indulgent. Okay, there we go, all right. Okay, so this isn't completely out of nowhere, by the way. In the Philippines, there are street vendors that sell their ice cream and put it in pandesal, which is a Filipino bread roll. And butter buns are very similar to pandesal. So that's what we're doing here. So this here is a Philippines street food experience. Oh my gosh. And then the ice cream is starting to melt because of the toasted butter bun. Tell me in the comments, would you knock it or try it? My dad was actually the one that showed me this. He was off in the corner putting some ice cream in his butter buns, and I was like, what are you doing? So it's actually really, really good. Okay, I wanna cut this in half and show you. this is like really, really indulgent. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. Oh, look at that. Okay, so you know those ice cream shops that stuff ice cream into donuts? I'm thinking maybe this is where they got the inspiration from. Okay, let's try a bite because this is like starting to melt. Oh my gosh, you guys. So the butter buns, on the outside, it's nice and crunchy, and the inside is soft and pillowy. And then you get the cold ice cream and then the red beans. Oh my gosh, it's just like a flavor and texture explosion. This is really good. Please try it. Even if you think it's not gonna be that good, just try it, please. It's so yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna stop gushing over these. I do wanna hear from you because there's a bajillion things I could stuff in these butter buns. Let me know in the comments below what other ideas you have. So I hope you guys try these at home. They're super quick to make and they're really good with a strong cup of coffee or tea. Okay, now go make your red bean buns and I'll see you back here for more delicious goodies next week. Bye! Doug, have you ever tried ice cream in a bun? Please try this.